This is a busy train station. Alicia Navoiri. I think I said that correctly. How do we exit here? We're on the red line now. Let's see. Excuse me. Do you know English? You speak English?
Yeah.
Russian?
Yes.
Russian. You like Uzbekistan? It's nice. I'm trying to get to Magic Park. How do I exit this way? You look cool, man. You look cool. You like skateboarding, right?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Okay, you like break dancing, music.
Music.
You do break dancing? Wow.
Dance.
Okay,
Street
cool.
dance.
You do street dance? I need you to send me some videos so I can put it on my YouTube channel. Yeah? So I need to learn Russian. Pushkin